I love to add that little special element to a dinner party. I'm really excited to set the table. Setting the table is like setting the tone. We're gonna have a beautiful dinner outside in the field amongst all the wild grasses and flowers. It's gonna be really pretty. I just think these grapes are right in the middle. That looks great. I like to create an experience and really just fill the table full of love, full of whimsy and romance and magic. It doesn't always have to be a special occasion to make it special. Okay, candles. What I really like is the juxtaposition of eating outside but having a formal table setting. It's very romantic. I love the little terracotta pots. It's very Tuscany.
You've really outdone yourself.
What do you think?
This is incredible. I feel like all the hard work that we put into everything, like it deserves this beautiful table. This is fantastic.
I really wanted to bring some elegance outside. I love creating experiences, and I think you should be able to feel a person's story when you sit down at their table.
Looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. Jeremy, come sit next to me.
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, woo!
Food is beautiful, so you actually can be an artist when you set the table. Okay, 1, 2,